Hi, fourth grade. Today is our last day of immigration. So we're going to be, again, like I said last time, looking a little bit closer at some more primary sources. So a little bit of review. A primary source is something that was created at a specific time in history. So by someone that experienced it, it's from that time period. Not done after the fact. It was done at that time period. And again, those three steps, when we are looking at a primary source, we're going to first observe. What do we see? What's going on? Second, we're going to reflect. What can I learn from this picture or source? And then we're going to ask questions. What do you wonder? What do you want to learn about from this? So we've got, again, two sets of pictures today. This first one is a judge right here sitting down, and he is swearing in a new citizen in New York. So in order to become a citizen, they had to get sworn in by a judge. So go again, observe. What do you see? What can you learn? And then what questions are you wondering about? Here's your second set. So this is a menu to the left here. And this is a picture of the dining hall at Ellis Island. So we've got a date here. This was from Wednesday, January 21st, 1920. It says, bill of fare for the immigrant dining room. Breakfast, oatmeal with milk, stewed prunes, bread and butter substitute, coffee. So substitute means it's an alternative. It's something different for it. So it was probably like some type of packaged fake bread and butter type deal. I'm not so sure. Dinner, split pea soup, pot roast mashed turnips, bread and butter substitute, Liberty pudding, coffee. And then supper was baked pork and beans, bread and butter substitute, applesauce, and tea or coffee. So again, look closely. What do you see? What can you learn? And what questions do you have? Okay, so today's form sheet is a little different than yesterday, so I am going to go over it. Number one asks, if a student wrote an essay on immigration, is that a primary source? Number two, if an American took a photo of immigrants arriving at Ellis Island in 1915, is this a primary source? Okay, now we've got our pictures. So I want to know, what did you learn and what did you wonder from this photograph? And then the second one, which was the menu and the picture of the dining hall, I want to know, what is a similarity you see to your own life? So what is a connection that you can make to these photos? And then what is something different, something that you are not used to, something you've never experienced before that you saw in these two primary sources? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unit. I hope you learned a lot. And if you have any questions, please make sure you get on Zoom, comment on Google Classroom. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday for your last week of school. So exciting. Bye, guys.